Welcome guys. If you want to manage notification settings in your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first enter the settings, then we have to tap on the notifications, and as you can see here we have a couple of options. The first one, we can manage all of the notifications for our application. So for example, if you get a lot of notifications from the email, you tap on this application, and with this switcher you can permanently turn off notifications. Another option here, it is the app icon badges. So here you can change it for the dots and the numbers, and also you can turn off the dots for every application, and also we can hide the notification content. So when you leave your phone in the public place, I mean in your house, and you are worried about that something can see what is coming on in this notification, like you get the email and the first part of the email is popping on your screen, you have to tap on the hide notification content, and right now it will be like disable. And we can also go for more notification settings, like when we get the notification we can just wake the screen, and with this marker we can adjust this function. And also we can turn off the notifications on the status bar with this marker. So as you can see, when I turn it on, you will see there the Swift key keyboard notification. It is here, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.